Rosenthal Financial Services is proud to offer American Amicable's Easy Term. American Amicable's Easy Term is a non-med term life insurance policy. It has a 10, 20, or 30-year guaranteed level premium period. It is available as a return of premium plan for the 20 and the 30-year guaranteed level premium periods. The return of premium plan returns all of the base policy premiums paid during the guaranteed level period. It is issued standard through Table 4 on an accept or reject basis. No extra tables will be allowed. It is annually renewable to age 95 after the selected level premium period. It may be converted up to age 75 to any whole life plan issued by the company without evidence of insurability required. It is issued age nearest birthday, and for the 10-year term is issued ages 18 to 70, on the 20-year term ages 18 to 65 or ages 18 to 60 with the return of premium rider. On the 30-year term is issued ages 18 to 55 and ages 18 to 50 with the return of premium rider. The minimum face amount is $25,000 or $15 a month on monthly bank draft, whichever is greater. The maximum face amount is $200,000. For the premium rate classes, it's broken down into male or female, smoker or non-smoker. For modal factors, it can be paid monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annual with no policy fee. The Easy Term has several available riders, the first of which is the Disability Income Rider. It pays a monthly benefit to the insured in the event the insured becomes totally disabled. The monthly benefit is 2% of the face amount, not to exceed $1,500. If the annual income is below $25,000, the benefit cannot exceed $900 per month. The benefit period runs for 2 years and has a 60-day elimination period, and the benefits are not retroactive. And eligible occupations are listed in the agent guide. Its issues for ages 18 to 55. A disability is defined as any disability which keeps you from being able to perform the major duties of your regular occupation as a result of such injury or disease. The rider terminates at age 60 unless the benefit period is in effect. The critical illness rider provides a cash benefit to the insured upon the diagnosis of a covered critical illness. It is available at 25, 50, or 100% acceleration up to $100,000 of the face amount. It requires disclosure for the accelerated living benefits rider, and it must be submitted with the application. Covered critical illnesses include heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, paralysis, terminal illness, coronary artery bypass graft, up to 10% of the death benefit, invasive cancer, major organ transplant surgery, blindness, or HIV contracted performing duties as a professional healthcare worker. It issues on ages 18 to 65, and the rider coverage expires at age 70. The waiver of premium waives the payment of each premium, including riders, in the event of total and permanent disability. Its issue ages are 18 to 55, and the rider coverage expires at age 60 unless the rider is in effect. They also offer children's insurance agreement, also known as a child rider. It provides $3,000 per unit with a maximum of 5 units on each child until age 25. It is convertible for up to 5 times the initial coverage. It issues on children between the ages of 15 days and 17 years, and for the primary insured between the ages of 18 and 50. The benefit expires at the earlier of primary insured's age 65 or the child's age 25. The accidental death benefit rider is an additional benefit paid to the beneficiary if the insured dies as the result of an accident. It is available up to $200,000 or 5 times the face amount of the policy, whichever is less. Its issue ages are between the ages of 18 and 64, and the benefit expires at age 65. At no additional cost, they also offer a terminal illness accelerated benefit rider. The insured can receive up to 100% of the death benefit when an insured has a life expectancy of 12 months or less. It requires disclosure form 9474. A copy of this form is to be left with the applicant, and no signature is required. The accelerated benefits rider, also known as the confined care rider, is for people who are full-time permanent residents in a nursing home. It pays a fixed monthly payment of 2.5% of the face amount. It requires disclosure form 9675. A copy of the form is to be left with the applicant, and no signature is required. The sales materials that are available for the Easy Term include a brochure, agent guide, the application, a quick quotes money purchase sheet, an accelerated living benefit rider disclosure if the critical illness is applied for, and also a terminal illness accelerated benefit rider form. The accelerated benefits rider for the confined care, also they offer an e-check, which is to be used for immediate draft of first premium, cash without, upon receipt of application. They also offer the HIPAA form 9526. In the agent guide, you will find a medical impairment guide that can be used whenever you have general questions as to whether or not they will take a specific disease. For example, if the person has Alzheimer's, it would be an automatic decline. Also in the agent guide, you'll find a medication watch list. For example, if the person is on Aricept, it's because they have dementia and they will be declined. Good field underwriting is essential to avoid unnecessary underwriting delays. Always fully complete all required sections and questions. Provide complete details to any yes answers on health questions. List any medications currently taken and their associated conditions. If additional space is needed for details regarding health questions or medications, please provide them on a separate sheet of paper and submit with the application. The telephone interview is to be completed at the point of sale and is always to be answered yes or no. All applicants must complete Section A, questions 1, 2, and 3. If you're applying for the critical illness rider, you will also need to complete Section B, question 4. Provide details to any questions in Section C. Applications can be submitted via scanning, faxing, or mailing. While American Amicable's Easy Term is based on non-medical, they do require a telephone interview for face amounts $25,000 to $75,000 for ages 66 to 70, on face amounts $75,001 to $100,000 for ages 56 to 65, and for ages 66 through 70. For face amounts of $100,001 to $200,000 for ages 18 to 70, a telephone interview is always required. If the critical illness benefit rider is applied for, you will have to do a telephone interview for 100% critical illness rider for face amounts $25,000 to $75,000 on ages 46 to 70, and for face amounts $75,001 to $100,000 for ages 18 to 70, also for face amounts of $100,001 to $200,000 for ages 18 to 70. The telephone interview can be completed in two ways. The first option that is preferred is the point of sale. It can be completed at the time of application from the client's home. Simply call the vendor using the toll-free number, identify yourself, American Amicable, the product being applied for, and whether or not the client is applying for critical illness or a disability rider. The applicant completes the rest of the interview on their own. Indicate on application that the interview has been completed. The results of the interview are transmitted to the home office electronically. If for any reason you cannot complete the telephone interview at the point of sale, it can be completed later. Simply indicate on the application that the interview was not completed and provide the applicant's phone number and a best time to call. The vendor will contact the applicant to complete interview or schedule a time to complete. The results of the interview will then be transmitted to the home office electronically. Underwriting for the Easy Term will be based on the Medical Information Bureau, also known as the MIB. Its member companies report conditions to MIB databases during the underwriting process. Our company accesses the MIB database on all Easy Term applications. MIB replies can trigger additional underwriting requirements such as APSs and exams. American Amicable will also check a pharmaceutical database. It's a check of national pharmacy databases. The databases are checked on every Easy Term application, and it provides information on medications/prescriptions taken by the applicant. It may trigger additional underwriting requirements such as APSs or exams. In summary, American Amicable's Easy Term is a simplified issue term with no medical exam required. It offers a simple yes or no application and offers a 20, 10, or 30-year guaranteed level premium plan. The 20 and the 30-year plans are available with return of premium. The optional critical illness and disability income riders. After level premium period, the policy can be kept to age 95. The policy is convertible to a whole life plan without evidence of insurability. It is also highly competitive with the premiums and the compensation. For your free contract and more information, please call Rosenthal Financial Services at 770-968-5757 or toll free at 1-877-968-5757 or send an email request to mattgrosenthal@aol.com or visit us on the web at www.realfastservice.com. Our office hours are Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Fridays from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. Please note we will be closed for lunch from 12 to 1. I hope you have learned something from this tape, and I would like to thank you for your time.